Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have some project shares. I was asked by one of my young ladies that stayed with me, Miss Catalina. Her mom wanted me to put together some centerpieces and things for her for open house for fall and at their business, and also I put together some things to sell in a craft fair at the end of this month. So she's going to hand me the things that we put together today. So the first thing I did was one of these little mugs here. I've used up most of my foliage now, and I'm so glad because I don't like having everything hanging around, you know. So I've used that one. And then we did one with the sunflower and cattails, which is really pretty. I like doing them so that it doesn't matter what side you're looking at. It still looks nice on either side. So that is that. I think we're running behind here. And then, if you remember last year, I made these little oven mitt flower arrangements. And I did this one. And I love how this one came out. Shh. Sorry about that, guys. I just think this one is so pretty. So yeah, this is the one that I made. Now it still looks nice from the back, but obviously you're not going to see the back because you'll have it hanging up. But yeah, this is one of my favorite ones that I think that I've done, and I really, really like it a lot. So then, here you go. Wait a minute, take this from me, honey. She's helping me over here. So then I put together a little gift basket for her. You can see inside. I put some of this I got from Aldi's, but I just put like, let's see if I can adjust this right here. There we go, a little bit better. Okay, so I put this orange chocolate, dark chocolate and orange flavor I got together from Aldi's, and then also we put some pumpkin spice K-cups in here. And then the little door hanger that came from Dollar Tree. And then I just picked up these two gorgeous orange mugs from the Dollar Tree. And we found some cinnamon sticks, and I just thought they'd provide a lovely little smell. So I just stuck cinnamon sticks in the mugs. And then, of course, one of the Dollar Tree pumpkins. And then we put some candles in here. And I'll just go ahead and take this one out and show you. These are the lovely candles that from the Dollar Tree, and they have the little metal leaves on them. And then also from Aldi's we picked up some of this wax out. This is maple pumpkin, so that's really cute. I just think the gift basket came out really cute. Put some mums around them, and that came out really cute. And then the last thing I made were these beautiful, let me tilt it back up, sorry, was this beautiful little vases that I got that were in orange and this lovely brown and the red one. Well, the red one shipped somewhere. And then my neighbor across the way wanted me to do one for the orange for her, so she bought that. And then so I made one up for my friend Judy to take a look at to see if she wants it. If not, I will sell it in try to sell it at the fall festival. So I just was really pleased with how these turned out, and I love this vase here. So hopefully this video is turning out. It's like really running behind here on me, but so that's what I made there with the fall flowers. And then last night I created some things I'll share with you. See those two? No, just grab those two little embellishment things right there. Yes, those. That's it. Okay, so I've been working on some embellishment, and these are vintage embellishments. And so I made this one right here. I was really pleased with the way they turned out. So what I did was I had this vintage paper I put vintage paper on here, and then I had some vintage lace, and I put that around the rosette. Well, first of all, I made a rosette, and I didn't do anything to the back of it, basically, but I distressed the edges and on the inside of the lines, and then I put like the layer of this lace on here, and then I have a layer of brown tulle there, and then I have some of this antique flower. Basically, it was made from using off-white flour and an off-white paper, and I distressed the leaves after I punched them. And then I have these two beautiful metal butterflies here. So I was like really pleased how they turned out. And then I also made one right here. It's kind of a vintage sea theme. And I love this one. I just think this is really cute. So what I did with this one is, same thing. I punched out a 1.5 inch punch with antique or whatever paper, the French script, and then I put a layer of tulle on top of the paper, and then I used this cute little doily here on top of that, and then I put another little layer of tulle between this doily and the one that I put on top. So this is another separate little doily here. And then I had this antique button, and it says something about the boat company, something building better boats or something like that, but it's really cute. And then I had these little anchors here that I had gotten from Gareth's store, Create at Home with G. And then this little bow here and this little seashell was gifted to me by Rebecca, who is Rebecca Creates, or Betsy, who is Rebecca Creates on YouTube. So I just love how this one turned out. So I'm working on a lot of different challenges and stuff, and so I'm trying to get ahead. So I just thought I would share as I create with you. So let me know what you think about the arrangements and things that I made and about the little embellishments. And I will see y'all tomorrow morning with another Card Design Thursday. And tomorrow night, for Thursday Night Live, I am joining Carmen and Teresa, Carmen, who is Elemental Design, and Teresa, who is Teresa's Creations here on YouTube. I am joining them for an acrylic hop thing that they're doing, and it'll be done once a week from starting tomorrow until November the 10th. So come in tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, and I will have that up for you live. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you give me a thumbs up and that you subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.